Hi everyone, welcome back to Ace English. Today we're going to learn about articles, the words a, an and the. These small words are used all the time, but they can be tricky for beginners. We'll look at when to use each one, how to choose between a and an, and why the is needed. So grab a pen and let's get started. There are three articles in English: a, an and the. Articles go before a singular noun. Plural nouns do not use a or an, but you can use the before plural nouns. So let's have a look at a and an. Both a and an are general nouns. This means that the noun object that you are talking about is general. You could be talking about any of these objects. For example, he wants an apple. Any apple. It doesn't matter what apple it is. He just wants an apple. How to choose between the two? An always goes before a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. They are all vowel sounds in the noun. A goes before the consonant sounds. For example, a cat, a dog, a fish, a lemon. So let's have a look at the. We need the to talk about specific nouns. You are talking about one particular object. For example, the pen. I am talking about this pen. Not any other pens, just this one. The pen is blue. So, let's recap. There are three articles: a, an, the. A and an are used when the noun is general. The is used when the noun is specific. An is used before a vowel sound. A is used before the consonant sound. So, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back next week.